massa. What's up, everybody? Ryan here with another game for Galo in the Brazilian League for this year. Galo is visiting Fluminense, a team from Rio de Janeiro. They are known as Tricolor, or the three-colored team. So Galo is playing at Fluminense in the famous Maracanã Stadium in Rio. Galo today comes into this game in third place. With a win, we could move into first place, depending on then what happens tomorrow in the game with Palmeiras. So Galo is fighting for a position at the top of the table, coming off of a 0-0 draw where our defense did pretty well against Palmeiras. Can we continue that? I'm not so confident. Maybe a tie today, hopefully. But Galo has not had two good games in a row in a long time recently, and that's pretty sad to say. So we've been very unstable. I'm not so sure what's going to happen today, but we'll find out in the next 90 minutes. Here we go. Nossa, que golaço. Golaço, but Jesus. 1-0 for Fluminense. A beautiful goal of Fluminense, but I mean, it was only a matter of time. Galo's defense has been pretty disorganized until this moment. Tira. Nossa, keys. What was that? Sem querer. How is our defense so unorganized today? Goal. No. What happened? Wow. That was from Jair for Hulk. I still don't even understand what happened. I guess Fabio messed up on a pass, clearing the ball, gave it straight to Jair. I thought that the ball was out, and then I was certain that Hulk was offsides and they would cancel that. So 2-1 for Fluminense. That didn't last long. I thought that we were back in this game. It was only 2-1, now it's 3-1. Our defense is a mess today. Shoot, go! I mean, we're scoring, but the problem is we're not stopping a single ball from the other team. Yes, tied. 3-3. Another mistake from Fluminense, clearing out the ball and giving it straight to Galo. This is something that we like to do. So at least we're learning from our own mistakes, maybe. We don't stop one single ball. What is going on with our defense? We basically, every time the other team shoots, it's inside the goal. That's the end of the game. Galo was basically humiliated by Fluminense. They announced during the game that the last time Galo took 5 goals in a single game was 11 years ago. The last time that we had a game that actually meant something, so I'll qualify that. The last time we had a game that actually meant something, where we took 3 goals or more, was October of 2020. So more than a year and a half ago. And I say a game that meant something because last year, after we had already clinched the championship, you know, we sent our backup players to like the last 2 games and they took 4 goals, but you know, those games didn't really mean anything. We had already won the championship and we were just finishing the last 2 rounds, but it didn't mean anything. The last time that it actually meant something where we took that many goals has been a long, long time. We're so unstable and unpredictable recently. We play one decent game and then play a horrible game. We play one good game, we win. The next game, we go out and play terrible. If the attack works in this game, it doesn't work in the next game. It's unpredictable. It's stressful watching Galo this year. And I don't have the solutions. But man, the team, in my opinion, has gotten worse from the beginning of the year to what it is now. It's not getting better. It's just getting worse because we have one decent game and then several bad games. Or we'll have one great game and then two disastrous games. There were some decent parts of the game. I don't want to pretend that everything was bad. There were some decent parts of the game. And when we tied right at the beginning of the second half, I thought, hey, we're back in this. Maybe we could hold on to a tie. Who knows? We score another goal. But the problem was we scored a couple goals. But if you can't ever stop the other team from scoring, then it's really hard to win because they're just going to keep scoring goals and sometimes they will stop you. So yeah, we scored a couple of goals. In most games, scoring 3 goals would probably be enough to win. But we didn't stop any of their goals, and so we took 5. It's pretty ridiculous. It's hard to continue to support the coach when just every player is now worse right now than they were at the beginning of the year. We need to find some solutions. I don't necessarily have them, but there are people who make a lot of money to figure this stuff out at Galo, and it doesn't seem like it's getting figured out yet. So today, humiliation is the only word that I can say. On paper, we should beat this team. But unfortunately, the game is not played on paper. Inside the 4 lines on the grass, we got beat. 5-3 Galo lost at Fluminense. Our next game will be another game for the Brazilian League at home. We will receive Santos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you're seeing, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Até a próxima. Tchau.